From scan your mobile, you use mobile app tab scanner. I'm open this app, then I open camera, and then set position in your document, which document you want to scan. So like this you can set position. If position is correct, then click on camera icon. Okay, just like this, speed view. Okay, now I click camera, then processing. This is preview. Here you can also adjust left, right. After that, click on next. Click next, and then you will processing cropping size, and this is final preview. After final preview, there is some premium preview, some free. So now I'm using free ones. For top right corner, you will get tick mark. Click on the icons and you will get final result like this. And after that, you will say download image, then you will get this is quality and PDF or image, which one you want to save, depend on you. If you want to save PDF, you click on PDF. If image, then click on save. Now I'm saving PDF. After save PDF, you will get this icons where you want to send these documents. Then I select simply my another WhatsApp ID, and this is document sent. What is the quality? Oh, very good. You see, high quality scan.